Hi, it's Liz from LearnLuxembourgish.com. Today we have some interesting Luxembourgish expressions to talk about. First off is an expression you would use if you go to a restaurant with friends and everybody orders, enjoys their food, and then just one of you, your female friend, happens to get food poisoning while the rest of you are fine. So you would say, "De arme Loda." This poor girl, poor creature, she got food poisoning. So this expression evokes pity. Now, you have to be careful if you use Loda on its own as a term, because that has slightly different connotations. So then it turns more into like a lady of the night type scenario, or the B word. But amaloda is totally fine. No weird connotations there, just when you use loader on its own. Okay, when you use the same expressions for men, you would probably just say den armen Typ, the poor guy. So no weirdness at all there. Then we have a sentence, full sentence to talk about. Wasser steht him bis unten Hals. Wasser steht him bis unten Hals. Notice that him here is ambiguous. It could be referring to a girl or a boy, him. So the context would tell you more about that. But it means that he's got or she's got water up to their neck. So this you would use, literally in a situation of drowning, but figuratively it means that this person is desperate. For example, it would be often used in a financial sort of situation when a person has a lot of debt that they can't pay or they struggle with. Then you would say, Wasser steht him bis unten Hals. That's it for the interesting expressions side. Now I have a little story. So let's say your daughter is invited to a party. Ding doorsta as op een party inviteert oder ageladen. And you're getting a phone call in the middle of the night. Du kriegst matten an der Nacht angerufen. And she needs to be picked up. Het muss hat sicher kommen. Then you would say, of course, I'm going to pick up my daughter. Natürlich ging ich mich durch da sichern. And you would tell her, ja, ich fahre dich heim. Or ich bringe dich heim. I will drive you home, I'll get you home. That's it for my little Luxembourgish story today. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. If you have not registered for a course, have a look on our website, www.learnluxembourgish.com. We offer courses for all levels and at pretty much any time of the day. I know right now, for example, we have a course at 9 p.m. during the week. We have a course at 2 p.m., lunchtime, or on Sunday mornings. Whenever is convenient for you, that's when we're trying to teach you. Have a look. And last shout out before I forget, actually, some of you had a brilliant idea of me translating some of the Luxembourgish ads you hear on Luxembourgish radio or TV. I'm happy to do that, but I'm asking you, if there is an ad that you're hearing or seeing, to please record it and send it to me so that then I can translated. So let's see what that will bring. That could be an interesting project. Thanks for watching. Adi, merci.